Verma, your own Montessori teacher. Hope you all are doing great. So my dear kids, hope you remember that few days back we have learned long sound of vowel A. So whenever A is followed by E, A makes long sound. And what's the long sound of vowel A? It's A. Let me give you one example so that it comes to your mind again. See here? Ek, make. So today we are going to learn two more combinations where vowel A makes long sounds. Okay? Just look at this. A, Y. So whenever A and Y comes together, we don't read it as A and Y, because individual sound of A and Y is A and Y. We should read it as A. A. And the same way, AI. When vowel A and vowel I comes together, it again says A. So dear kids, if you read it as A, E, clay, say, rain, meet, mean, वो भी ऐसा कुछ wrong नहीं है, but if you want to speak like a native speaker, है ना, और भी authentic तरीके से और भी अच्छे तरीके से आप अगर pronounce करना चाहते हैं, तो you should read it as play, play, थोड़ा सा twist, see, clay, say, rain, made. यहाँ देखो अब जैसे इसमें बहुत correctly आता है set, set. आप इसको अगर said बोलेंगे तो this is absolutely wrong. This is said. मैंने काफी लोगों को देखा है, ऑब्जर्व किया है कि इसको बहुत ही रॉन्ग प्रोनाउंस किया जाता है. He said. तो it's not sad, it's said. He said. Okay? तो sad जो होता है वो ये होता है. Fine. So इसमें आपको आई होप कोई confusion नहीं होगा. If you make a practice of pronouncing and reading this combination like that, तो आपको क्या benefit होगा उससे? जब भी आप इसको इसी तरह से रीड करेंगे, the sound will completely, get captured in your mind. और जब भी आपको फिर वो जब भी आएगा तो आपको याद रहेगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे मुझे AY या फिर AI कॉम्बिनेशन यूज करना है इंस्टेड ऑफ AE. और एक और बात आपको पता है, जब भी कोई दो वॉवल्स को एक साथ हम कंबाइन करते हैं और वो एक नई साउंड बनाते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड diphthongs. Fine. So it is a diphthong also. So A. Both are making same sound, but you need to be careful where to use A and where to use A if you want to speak like a native speaker. Now you must be thinking that if both the combinations make same sound, so why should we use it, like interchangeably? So now I'm going to tell you that where you should write A and where you should write AI. A. So let's get started. Okay. Now let's read some words. A. Bay. जब आप phonics से read कर रहे हैं, whenever you read with the help of phonics, so you're not going to read it as separate sounds. You will read it as one sound. Okay? So one sound. A. In all the words, let me just underline this so that you can read it easily. See, A, bay. Club. This again we are going to read it together. This is a blend. Perla. We'll learn about it later. So perla, club. A, play. Club. A, clay. A, say. Okay? जैसे हम नॉर्मल जब कई बार बोलते हैं, बोलते हैं say. It's actually not say, it's say. So now let's see some more words with AY combination. Okay? जैसे कि hey, day. May. थोड़ा बड़ा वर्ड लेते हैं एक. This is display. Then play. ठीक है, इसी तरह से अब मैं आपको AI कॉम्बिनेशन के साथ कुछ और वर्ड्स दिखाती हूँ. ठीक है, जैसे कि main, braid, चोटी, gain, and maintain. Fine. अब आप इन सभी वर्ड्स को अच्छे से देखिए. Just see them very carefully. Let me just underline them again. So look at these underline combinations and see what is the difference. I think you got it. So जब भी हम एक वर्ड के लास्ट में a साउंड सुनते हैं, okay, whenever there is a sound at the end of a word, okay, after that there is no consonant or vowel, there is no letter, there is no sound. So at that time we write AY combination. You'll never find AY combination in the middle of a word, right? Or AI is never used at the end of a word. Can you see this? AI. So after that, N is there. है ना? Main. It's never used at the end. Eight. So यहाँ पे भी again ये बीच में आया है. इसके बाद एक consonant है. Here, gain. Again, this is in the middle, and there is a letter after a. No. यहाँ पे देखिए, ये मैंने थोड़ा बड़ा वर्ड लिखा है so that you get it better. Main. It's again in the middle. It's not at the end of a word. Okay? तो इसके लिए मैं आपको ये, ताकि ये आपको याद रहे, एक और चीज मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. There is a small sentence. If you remember this, you'll never make mistakes. Now let's see. Play in the rain. So इसमें play AY has come at the end of a word, and here AI in rain, it has come in the middle of this word. तो अगर आप इसको याद रखेंगे तो आप कभी भी मिस्टेक नहीं करेंगे. And it's a very common mistake, you know. जो छोटे बच्चे होते हैं, small kids always get confused with AY and AI combination. Though both the combinations make same sound, but they are used at different places. Okay, so I hope you got it very clearly. Still, if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll definitely try to get back to you. To my dear kids, you should not get confused with AY and AI sound. Both the combination make A. Speak after me. A. और ये A flat sound नहीं करता है. There is a little twist. A. Okay? तो जब भी आप एक वर्ड के बीच में लिखेंगे तो आप AI यूज करेंगे, and when you're going to write at the end of a word, you will use AY combination. Okay? Don't make mistakes. So now this is the time to announce the names of the kids who have given right answer to the question asked in my previous video. The question was, what is the old or previous name of Jog Falls? Right answer is Girusopa Falls. आपको पता है, this question was even asked in KBC. So many kids have given the right answer. Jog Falls is divided into different falls. Fine. So that's why I told you the separate names like King, Queen, Rocket and Roar. या फिर राजा, रानी, उसको हनुमान और लक्ष्मण इस तरह से भी बोला जाता है. But that's, just like in a local language or separately those falls are called. Collectively जो उनका नाम है, जो one name of the Jog Falls is like right now the name is Jog Falls and previously it was known as Gheru Sopa Falls. Okay, so don't get confused. So I'm glad to announce the names of the kids who have given the right answer. Mandeep, Akriti, Ojas, Abhay and Vinay. And along with that, I'm going to announce the names of the kids who have given right answer to the question, which is the biggest animal on planet Earth. So the biggest animal on planet Earth is whale, blue whale. Okay, as I asked, on planet Earth, so it includes water and land both. If somebody asks you that which is the biggest animal on land, so you must say it's elephant. So the kids who have answered this question correctly are Ritvik, Ojas and Sankriti. I'm really glad to say that Ojas is the one child who always answers the questions correctly. So a big round of applause for you, Ojas. So the question for the day is, which is the tallest living animal? Okay, don't get confused. Which is the tallest living animal on this planet? धरती पर रहने वाला सबसे लंबा जीव कौन सा है? Again, listen to this question very carefully. Don't get confused. I'm not asking the biggest animal. In this question, I'm asking the tallest, सबसे लंबा animal जो है वो कौन सा है? Okay, you need to answer the question in the comment section, and I'll announce the names of the kids who give right answer to the question in my next video. And yes, don't forget to like and share my videos, and do subscribe my channel to watch many more educational videos like this. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.